Hello everybody, here I am Shimoy and today I will demonstrate a science experiment that is underwater volcano. To conduct this experiment, equipment which I will use are measuring cylinder, spatula, stirring stick and test tube. Materials which I will use are baking soda, citric acid, red food color, water and cooking oil. At first I will measure 10 ml of water and pour it into the test tube. And now I am adding 2 drops of food red color in this test tube. And now I am mixing using this stirring stick. Now I am adding 1 scoop of baking soda in the test tube. And I am mixing using this stirring stick. Now I will measure 20 ml of oil by using this measuring cylinder. Now I am pouring this into this test tube. Now stage is set for the volcano to erupt. Now I will add 1 scoop of citric acid in this test tube. And now I am mixing this by little bit by using this stirring stick. Now we all can see the volcano is erupting. All we can see bubbles are forming, and due to its lighter weight, they are rising up from bottom to top. From the water to the oil layer. We can also notice that the bubbles travel slowly in the oil layer than water layer. This is because the oil is thicker, stickier and more viscous than the water. In this experiment, baking soda and citric acid reaction, gas is formed, this carbon dioxide. Due to lighter weight, gas moves towards upper side of the solution and the bubbles move relatively faster through the water and relatively slower through the oil layer. We all know that everything has a science behind that. So the science behind my experiment is oil is thicker and stickier than water. So it is more dense than water. This property of oil is called viscosity. Thank you.